Since the dawn of mankind, agriculture has driven civilization forward. It is the reason we're still here today. Without agriculture, the foundation of civilization, there is nothing. Our population is increasing. The world demands more food. Crop soils have been overused and are depleted. Is there a solution to feeding 10 billion people in the year 2050? This is a question we all need to be asking. And the scientists at Dynamic Green Concepts say yes. The current school of thought revolves around increasing agricultural land, producing higher-yielding seed varieties, superior fertilizers, and other technologies focusing on the crop itself. However, DGC represents a new school of thought. Microbial activity in our soils has been entirely overlooked because we're just now learning how vital it truly is. In agriculture, we have what's called the law of the minimum. Think about it like a barrel. If a hole is made in the barrel, which these holes represent limiting factors in agriculture, it will limit productivity because now we can't fill the barrel. Oftentimes, microbial activity is the lowest hole, and once plugged, productivity will increase to the point of the next hole. Since microbial life is usually ag's biggest issue, we can increase current production by 30% or more. What's equally exciting is we can treat old agricultural lands deemed unfit for agriculture and make them arable, viable fields again. This allows for increased production with the land we already have, instead of breaking new ground and destroying rainforest, native grasslands, and other valuable ecosystems. Thus, we are reducing the environmental impact humans are having on our planet while increasing productivity at the same time. You're probably wondering, how does DGC keep microbial life happy and healthy? Let us explain. Many of our conventional agriculture practices actually harm and hinder soil microorganisms, like the use of pesticides, herbicides, fungicides, certain fertilizers, and other chemicals. The soil becomes greatly depleted, and other problems can arise too, making it very difficult to get quality food to the plant. Basically, if we don't start taking care of our microbe friends, we are in big trouble. Luckily, DGC is here with a solution. We use natural and organic biotechnology to feed the current existing microbial life, and with that, boom! More microorganisms, healthier soils, more available nutrients for crops, increased water holding capacity, reduced disease and insect pressure, and even less compacted soils, which means more high-quality food for everyone, even in adverse conditions. In addition, soils and plants are living things just like you and I, and they need food to survive and flourish. But a plant's food needs to be cooked, just like ours does. Who cooks the food for plants, you ask? You guessed it, microorganisms. Just like we need a chef in the kitchen to cook and prepare our food, plants need microorganisms to prepare and produce the nutrients they need to survive. This is something that is known, yet overlooked in the agricultural industry. DGC has this figured out. When you think Dynamic Green Concepts, think higher yields, better quality, reduced environmental impact, along with increased profits for some of our hardest working and underappreciated individuals on our planet, our farmers. Not to mention, more food for everyone. When this technology is implemented on a global scale, it will diminish world hunger now and for future generations. It will help save vital ecosystems and push humanity into a new age of sustainable prosperity. DGC is a fundamental key in shaping the outcome of our planet. We have an opportunity to feed our brothers and sisters across the globe. Help us enter the next green revolution by spreading the word and getting involved. Visit our website, www.dgcag.com. Like us on Facebook, Dynamic Green Concepts LLC, and Instagram @Dynamic Green Concepts. Together, we can and will change the world.